Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss from lesson number 2, class 6th, File Explorer. Our next topic is arranging files and folders. Arranging files and folders. If you have large number of files in your system, it becomes necessary to organize the huge bundle of files and folders that you have in your computer. You can organize and arrange your files and folders using the following techniques. Let us have a look. First one is grouping files and folder. The option helps you to organize the files and folders by breaking them into different sections like name, date modified, type, size, tag, ascending, descending order, etc. To group the files and folders, first we need to right click on the empty space of the details pane. Step 2. Select group by option from the list appeared. Step 3. Select how you want to sort the name like date, modified, a type or size. Then select whether you want to contents sorted in ascending order or descending order. In this way we can group the files and folders. Next one is sorting files and folder. Open any folder that contains files and folders in File Explorer. Right click the blank area and sort by from shortcut menu. A submenu appears. Select any one of the options like name, date modified, type and size from the submenu. Also select the ascending or descending order from how you want to window to arrange the files and folder. Next one is how to move a window. To move a window, follow the steps given. Click the top left corner of the window, a list appears. Then click the move option from the list. Now move your window to desired location using the arrow key and press enter to finish it. You can also move the window through holding it from the title bar and drag it to the desired location. That means by the two ways we can move the window. First method is by using the arrow keys from the keyboard, and second one is by using mouse pointer. By the left click, drag it and hold it and leave it in the desired location. Next one is resizing a window. Resizing a window means to increase or decreasing the window. What are the steps? Step 1. Click the top left corner of the window, a list appears. Step 2. Click the size option from the list. Step 3. Now resize the window using arrow keys and press enter when you finish it. You can also resize the window by holding the border with the mouse pointer and dragging it to desired size. Next one is picture tools. File Explorer contains some basic photo tools as well, but they are hidden by default. To open the picture tools, open a folder with photo files inside. Then click on any one picture. A new yellow tab, Picture Tools, will appear above the Manage Ribbon tab. Step 2. Click it and you can easily access tools to rotate a photo left or right, start a slideshow with the default photo viewer, or set photo as your background. These are the options you can be available in picture tools. Let us have a look a video. Let us see how to arrange the files and folders, grouping files and folders, sorting files and folders, how to move a window, how to resize a window, and picture tools. Let us have a look. Now I opened some games folder. I am having this one. Let us do the grouping. Now I am keeping in the details wise and I want to group size wise. Now see, Z ball is the highest size. It is in the 2.646 KB, that much size, and least size also this one. Now I want to group by date modified, or see here, now this one is 2002, 2001, like that, order wise it is coming. This is called grouping. Now what is meant by sorting here? In the name I want to keep in the ascending or descending order. Now I want to keep in descending order. Descending order means Z to A. See here, ascending order means see here, starting letter. In this way we can group and sort out our files and folders. Next one is how to move the window. Now I want to move this one, File Explorer. Top left corner, left click, and there is a move option here. Click that one, and by using arrow keys you can move, or mouse pointer also you can move this one. In this way we can move the folder. Now how to resize this window? Same here, left click and size option is there. Click that one and you can resize this one in this way. See here, I am resizing this one, big, small. See here, In this way we can resize our windows. Now let us see one more topic and final topic. I am opening some pictures here. These are all pictures. Now let us see. Now I selected this one. There is a home, share, view, picture tools. In picture tools you can see here rotate left, rotate right, slideshow, set as background, slideshow. If I click this one, see here it is coming like slideshow. See, it's coming. In this way we will get the slideshow. And this one rotate left means right means, see the image has been rotated right side. See here, in this way we can rotate. These are the picture tool options. Next one is file formats. First one, JPEG, stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. Use lossy compression technique. It supports 24-bit colors. JPEG is suitable for photographs. Similarly, file size as compared to GIF. Next one is extension of JPEG is .jpg or .jpeg. If your photo is there, it will be format is .jpg. Next one is MPEG. MPEG means Moving Picture Experts Group. MPEG file employ lossless data compression. MPEG files use the MP3 file extension. Suppose if you are having any audio files, these are then comes under into the MP3. So digital music and audiobooks are oftenly saved as MPEG3 files. Older MPEG files are usually designated with an extension of .mp2. 1 minute of music take approximately 1 MB of storage space. That means 1 minute of the song it will take 1 MB space. Next one is DOCX, that means docs. If you are typing a letter or any application in MS Word, then you will be saving the document. The document will be saved with .docx format. So as a result, earlier version of Word, MS Word, cannot read DOCX documents, but Microsoft does provide the software that convert DOC documents into DOCX format. And last one is XLSX, that means Excel files are saved with .xlsx. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care, stay safe.